Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. In this video I am going to show you how to repair this type of vertical bar problem in our LED TV. So here you can see how the vertical bar are repairing. So let's fix the same problem in this TV. So let's open the back cover. So here you can see the model number, and this is the Phillips brand LED TV, and here you can see the manufacturer here also. This is 2021. So now let's open the back cover. I already removed all the screws to save the time. Friends, here you can see this is the combi board. The motherboard and power supply are included in this same board. Then, so this is about the board section. So our main problem is there in this display section. So here you can see in the COF section, our one side COF is burned due to the moisture issue or any other issue. One side of the COF is burned. Due to this, we are facing the vertical bar problem. To solve this type of problem, we have to remove that shorted portion. In this video, you can clearly see it how to remove that shorted portion, the burned portion. You can see how I removed using the blade. I cut it down the burned portion. Friends, using this method, this is only the temporary solution. This is not the permanent solution. The permanent solution is to rebonding the COF section, or else we have to replace the display itself. So this is the permanent solution. Now I am showing you the temporary solution. By doing this method, we can solve our display at low cost. So if you like our videos, please like and share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Now the time is to check whether the TV is fixed or not. So let's turn on the TV and check. Friends, now I am going to connect the plug. Let's turn on the switch. Here we go. Yes friends, our LED TV is fixed. Here you can see now all the vertical bar problem is fixed. Now our display is clearly visible. Friends, again I am telling, this is the temporary solution, this is not the permanent solution. In this way we can fix our LED TV. Friends, after fitting the back cover, again I am turning on the LED TV. Here you can see it clearly, not even a single line is visible. Display is perfectly repaired. So this is all about my video. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.